Hi, my name is Patrick. This is to briefly tell you about XAT 2024 expected score versus percentile. Can't spend too much time because Lucknow forms has to be checked, A forms have to be checked for students, so that will take my time today. But yeah, briefly telling you, XAT 2024 was tougher than 2023. Okay, maybe easier than 2022, but yeah, tougher. So somewhere the cutoff will be between the last year and last to last year. That's what is expected as such. I will just mention the score versus percentile. I mean, the main reason why this is the case because the mathematics was slightly on the tougher side. The question was slightly confusing, time consuming. There are few easy, but still, I mean, overall it was on a tougher side. Even the easier questions were phrased in such a way that it was quite confusing. So quant would pull down the score drastically, I mean, comparatively. DM2 will only come to know when the answers come out, official answers. But look okay, look at it similar to last year. But as I said, you will not know till the answers come out, official answers. Verbal was okay. RC, there were a little bit more RCs to make the paper lengthy. Non-RCs were fine. RCs looked a little tougher. Balances it out. So let's see. So overall, I think verbal DM more or less similar. Quant will pull down the score. If you look at the score versus percentile, I mean 99 percentile should be around 39 around that point of. When the paper is tougher, I mean the scores drop down drastically. And since the quant was tougher, I mean I'm expecting the scores to drop down. They're tentative score at different percentiles. Overall 99.5 could go to 43, 44. 99, 39 marks. 95 percentile will be 33 marks. 90, 29 and 80, 24. Approximate score versus percentile. Again, expect the quant cutoff to come down. I mean, quant was a lot of people found it tough because of the way the phrase it was phrased. Expect the DM and verbal. Let's see the official answers and then make out. All the best for the official answers. There'll come a bit more details later on. As of now, this is the analysis. All the best for the results and thank you.